Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to teach you how you can download your conversations with your team members on Slack really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. So doing this is actually no rocket science. Head over to Slack, log into your account, select your workspace in your top left corner. And in the next step, what you want to do is click on your workspace name here at the top and select Tools and Settings from the drop-down menu. And after that, click on Workspace Settings from the following drop-down menu. And what you want to do next, guys, here in your workspace settings is click on that button here in the right, import/export data. That is going to redirect you to that option here. So what you want to do is switch from import to export because you would like to export your chats or conversations. So click on it, and after that, select your export date range here at the bottom. Click on that arrow down icon and choose whether you'd like to export your workspace conversations from the last 24 hours or from the last 7 days, last 30 days, or your entire history. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me download and export the chat history from the last 7 days. Wait for it to be exported. That may or may not take a moment, depending, of course, on the file size. You will see the status here to the right. And remember, guys, that exports will be permanently removed after 10 days after they are downloaded. Bear that in mind. So you will have 10 days to download your exported files. And now you see your status here at the top. Your export is now being generated. You will also be notified via email when your export is ready to be downloaded. So what you want to do, guys, is head over or head back to your conversation with the Slack bot here in your workspace. And here we see a notification like that. Your Slack export has completed. You can download the file from that link here. So simply click on it to download your conversation on your device. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, it's super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.